Main part of an HVAC unit is the compressor. The compressor is the heart of the system. When the compressor dies, it's probably an indication that things are going to start happening. Now, the people that actually make the compressor, the manufacturers, have told us 10 years is how they build the compressor. If you get over 10 years on the compressor, you're living on borrowed time. So you need to think about when repairs start adding up. A lot of people say nickel and dime. What I say is the unit's going to start $100 you to death. It's going to be a repair here, repair here, repair here, and all of a sudden you're in for thousands of bucks on an older system. How old is your unit? Are you in the market for a new one soon, possibly? Check out simmonsonehour.com. Let us know.